Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the LiquiMark 10 color pencils, and it just comes in a 10 pack, and I have brought them out for you guys. But just getting started on these color pencils, and I just want to say that these are not the best color pencils that you can get. Super funny story, and the reason why I continue to get them, and I just want to put this out there, is because when I was little, my mom would honestly when it came to like school supplies, especially when it came to pencils. I have 5 other siblings, so she would oftentimes go to the dollar store to get school supplies. And guys, I don't think there's anything wrong with the dollar store for school supplies at all. If you honestly need good quality pencils, I don't suggest getting these, but these definitely get the job done. But these pencils just bring back so many memories for me. So when I was little, I remember that this was like 6th, 7th grade, and a lot of school projects that we would have to do. And just like in general, when you came to school, you always compared school supplies, what kind of school supplies you had, like whether you had the cheetah print erasers, or whether you had this or that. It was just all about the type of school supplies you had. That's what I remember growing up, and that's oftentimes what I remember. I oftentimes remember this person had these markers, and when we got back home from school, we always talked about the different school supplies people had. My mom, and I honestly thank her for showing me when I was little, but oftentimes I used to be so sad. I used to be like, oh my goodness, everybody has so much better school supplies than me, and I just have the wackest, jankest school supplies. And honestly, that's not the case. I learned my biggest lesson from my mom. You never want to spend your money on something, especially if you don't need to. So my mom knew that we did not need the best colored pencils or the best crayons. It was the fact that we were getting an education and that we were learning that mattered the most. And I really always try to keep that with me. So the reason why I continue to keep buying these is because I am not an art major. I just need these to color code some of my notes. And so I honestly just keep getting them. But I do want to show you guys what each color looks like. So I'm going to bring out a paper just to show you guys how they write. So like I said, there's 10 shades. So I'm just going to start with blue. And so these are why they're not the best. So as you guys can see, with Crayola and stuff, it's kind of like a creamy type fill. But with these, you don't really get them. And get that. And then on each pencil it just says sky blue. It's going to tell the color, so I will show you guys. But this one was just sky blue. And so I'm just going to put it on here. This one is violet. This one is peak green. This one is mid yellow. And this yellow, guys, I don't know if you guys can see this, but this yellow is hard to see. This is why when I was little and I really cared about school supplies, why I hated it. Because these are just not the best color pencils that you could possibly get. But I survived. And yeah, that's all that matters. This is deep blue, and I always used to mistake this as black. This one is orange. And then This one is forest green. This one is bright red. So guys, it's not really bright, but yeah. And then this one is just black. And this one is deep brown. So I'm gonna take one of these and shade it, because this is another reason why I did not like these growing up. Guys, if you guys are planning on getting colored pencils that you want to honestly use to like have a good usage out of them, I don't suggest these, because even when I just tried to shade that, like, it was just not working out. They're not creamy at all. They break off a lot. You have to sharpen them. These are just pencils to use like if you need them on a whim, or if it's just your last resort and you don't want to spend a lot of money and you don't need them for anything seriously. That's what I suggest these pencils for. Anything other than that, you really should not like use it, just because these color pencils are not creamy and they will not do what you need them to do. Also too, something else about these is, like I said before, they break easily, but guys, like in the middle of you writing, they will break. Just be very careful about that if you do tend to get them. But like I said before, guys, these are one of my hands down favorite color pencils, and not because of the way they write, but because these are just a classic, and like I don't need them for anything seriously. That's why I just keep buying them. And so obviously, as you guys can tell, they're very inexpensive. I said earlier where they're from. So this is a very inexpensive brand, a very inexpensive coloring, and if you're just like literally just using them to like just not do anything seriously with, like I just keep saying, then I suggest these. But this is just the LiquiMark 10-pack color pencil set, and I definitely suggest it.